Hi everyone, Disney Dave here and welcome to my channel. I know I don't usually make appearances in my video, but I thought this time I'd mix it up and introduce my latest video. Today's video is a Super 8mm camcorder recording of one of my all-time favourite dark rides, as well as thousands of others around the world. And that is Journey into Imagination at Disney's EPCOT Centre. This is the first incarnation of the ride, which ran from March the 5th, 1983 until October the 10th, 1998. And recently it's just shared its 40th anniversary of the ride. This was recorded on a vacation to Orlando for the first 2 weeks in September 1997. I remember this trip particularly well because the day before we flew to Florida, Princess Diana had sadly passed away. Anyway, for this video I have done some restoration work. And like I said earlier, this was recorded on a Super 8mm camcorder, and we all know back in the day VHS camcorders just wasn't the best quality. To try and give you a better picture of this ride, I've upscaled the video to 4K with some software called Topaz Video AI. I've also done some colour correction and brightening of the video, because back then this was quite a dark ride, and also used Neat Video to remove some of the noise from the corrections. The quality isn't fantastic, but I'm happy with it, and hopefully it will give you an insight to see what this ride looked like when it first opened. I have another video of this ride on my channel if you want to see more. This one was recorded unknown to me at the time, just a few days before the original incantation closed for good. If you want to watch it, just follow this link above. Anyway, sit back and relax and take in the marvel and the beauty of the original Journey into Imagination ride. Enjoy.
Oh, hello there. So glad you could come along. I am the Dreamfinder. Musical notes. What delightful melodies those will make. I love these flights of fancy, searching the universe for sounds, colors, ideas, anything that sparks the imagination. A sunbeam. That's a good one. Oh, everything I collect can inspire amazing and marvelous new ideas. And you never know what kind of figment you may come up with. Oh, here's my favorite. 2 tiny wings, eyes big and yellow, horns of a steer. What a lovable fellow. From head to tail, he's royal purple pigment, and there, voila! You've got a figment of imagination.
Dreamfinder, I'm just ready.
Not quite. I'll throw in a dash of childish delight. Look, Figment, some new friends have joined us.
Can they imagine too?
Of course, imagination is something that belongs to all of us.
You mean everyone can think of new things?
That's right, Figment, and every sparkling idea can lead to even more. Something. launcher at this speed.